All right, so continuing my improvements that I'm making from the camping trip that I had to Lone Pine. I'm actually going back to the Whitney portal real soon, and I want to implement some of these improvements to see how well they work. But one of the things that I did is that I lowered the cabinets because I wanted more room on that second bed. And I want to demo that second bed to you right now. So what I have, this looks familiar. This is from my Element, the bed from my Element, the mattress, and it's a exercise mattress. You could see it, exercise pad, and I reinforced it. Well, I softened it up even more with some extra foam on the inside, and it's a zipper, so you could just kind of stuff it a little bit more. It's nice and foldable. That's what I like about it. You know, it's just like that. But anyway, so this is just a normal cabinet mode, and this is my bed mode. So this holds supposedly 250 pounds or something like that, and I don't weigh 250, but I don't think this can hold 250, but it is only holding my legs, which is not 250. So that would go over there, and let me climb in. All right, so I'm going to climb on. Normally, I would take off this water fountain. Yeah, I showed you guys it's very easily removable. But let me climb in. Let's see. So, as you can see, there's quite a bit of room still. I could easily get up and turn around, no problem. Here I am. Let me move that camera so you can actually see. That'll allow you to see the top. But anyways, I realized I actually don't even have to move the faucet. I could just kind of turn it and it's fine. Here I am. I got a good amount of room, so if I go up, that's where my head hits. I can turn around easily. So getting those extra 2 inches, I probably got 3 inches extra from all the work that I did, maybe even 4. But you can see that there's a lot more room than there was before, and the person sleeping up here, which is going to be me, is going to be comfortable, and my kids will be in the nice bed. That's just the way it goes, I guess.